One of the things I was doing as a volunteer for the Conservancy was helping lead guided walks. We started with the Sunday morning bird walks, but after 1982, I think it was, there was the International Year of the Sea, and the Conservancy organised a guided walk of the whole Harbour shoreline, and this happened twice a year. But one I particularly remember was the third day of the October one in 1987. Now, October 1987, great storm. What happened? Loads of trees came down. And Philip lived in Bognor and I lived in Emsworth. And I realised that there might be a bit of a problem. And I could, in fact, get into Chichester. And we were supposed to be doing the third day from Chichester down to East Head. And I thought, well, I can get in. How do I know if none of the walkers can't get in? Some of them probably live in Chichester. Someone needs to go in and sort this out. So I got into County Hall without too much difficulty. And where the people were assembling, and gradually one or two people emerged with stories about that night and how they'd coped and what was going on. And we thought, well, here we are. Well, we can't go down to West Wittering, East Head, unless we know we can get back, because the system was that we walked one way and a bus brought us back. Well, clearly we couldn't take all these walkers down there if there was going to be no way the bus could get through the road and collect us. But we established, I think the army was clearing the main Burdham road, and I think they worked out or gathered, no mobile phones, of course, then. We just had to find out from ordinary telephone calls and messages that, yes, it would just about be safe to go, and yes, we wouldn't get stranded, and no, we probably wouldn't get any food, but would just about be able to get going. So as I remember it, there were about 9 other people on that walk out of a possible 50-odd, and we set off, feeling a bit like pioneers, and we got down to Delkey and to the marina and onwards, and got to Itchener, and still stories of everybody else being cut off and trees all over the place. Though, of course, on the harbour shoreline, there aren't actually that many trees, so we could actually walk it. There was things down, but it was nothing like what it was anywhere else. And we got to East Head, and we felt like heroes, and lo and behold, yes, there was transport, so we were going to be able to get back. But really, if you want an introduction to leading a walk, don't choose the 16th of October 1987.